You a 2-bit pack at a bus stop, no biggie. You a carbon copy, steady hustler, did he get with me? My paper flock to me like geese. Finna just slide back into the habit of flipping grease. And my habitat, my tact to separate wolf from sheep. That niggas neutering new niggas up in this industry. Shit's stupid, you know, I got blood on my apron. Last time I had a show, spilled the blood of my patrons. Split the check like 6 different ways, fuck that. I got 6 different switchblades, making man shit when they flip quick. Go upside your fade, niggas gravitate to the pain. All they ever had to do was never mention my name. Who the fuck said I'm still playing? I traffic planes, taxiing on one-ways with cocaine. The Greyhound bust down, run duffel bags up to the Everglades. This ain't no charade or escapade. Knocking on the window of the Escalade, pulling pins from 6 different grenades. Madman, self-made, machine marksman, blacksmith, don't test me. I got a blow with your name and it's aimed at your testes. See me straight jacket, match the interior. My kicks squeak up in court like I'm the Imperial. Like let me pay a superior. Even Julius Caesar holding fear. Killing cereal with the Everclear. Everyone got a sad song, like I give a shit, buddy. Hollow tips still hit your appendix, leave the driver's seat bloody. Tear through your favorite Averex, your neighbor next. Memorex, no playback, record clean as a Maybach. I'm a madman with the pen, plus nobody can find me. Imagine detonating TNT on your chest and surviving. Y'all will all hear me quit spitting flows before you hear me repping big flow and shit. I dump empty, reload the clip, hit him with the remix. I'm on the rise like Phoenix Suns. I'm what they despise despite their whole lives as lies. So you tight to press charges when I apply pressure. When this gun discharges, we'll see who's left to make a confession.
Yo, release the tension. Your persona's an invention. Truth be told, your illest flow too insignificant to mention. Yet it spreads like an infection. Time to bring the insurrection. And if truth the only weapon, then I'm gunning with my henchmen. My pension is for rhyming. You cats are so conniving, double crossing, 2-timing, house Negro, social climbing. You island serve the master. The results are a disaster. Look at all the little children running around like nothing matters. They can't even read a chapter. Not a single skill they've mastered. A career in trap rapping is the only thing they after. I blast the simple-minded mumble rappers from a tower. I fasten temples, finding humble actors have the power. You showered in gold for the devil. You just rolled lies. You telling rhymes. You sell diamonds in your earlobe. After a lethal blow to the head from your flow, the kids are left with nothing that will teach or help them grow. Now you have all the glow, and tell me how it feels to prostitute yourself for the monster at your heels. The thing that doesn't feel and sells your blackness to appeal to the masses, the people, to keep us all unequal. It's a bad horror show, you the sequel. You a plastic rapper, you spit saran wrap. Sounds like you laying down in the booth taking a nap, talking in your sleep. The flow's so weak. Now I lay me down and pray the Lord my soul to keep. The only thing that's real is the name, cause it's a trap. And once you sell your soul, you can never get it back. Now it all sounds the same, it's all part of the game. Repetition is the strategy to hypnotize the brain. It's a shame.
Hey yo, word is bond. All these fake impressionable motherfuckers be reading from the same script. Wanna know what they sound like? Play the clip.
Hi, I'm Fox San Antonio's Jessica Headley.
And I'm Ryan Wolf.
Our greatest responsibility is to serve our Treasure Valley communities, the El Paso, Las Cruces communities, Eastern Iowa communities,
Mid-Michigan communities.
We are extremely proud of the quality, balanced journalism that CBS 4 News produces.
But
Plaguing our country.
The sharing of biased and false news has become all too common on social media. More alarming, some media outlets publish these same fake stories without checking facts first.
The sharing of biased and false
news has become all too common on social media. Unfortunately, members of the unique platforms to push their own lives and to control countries. This is extremely dangerous to our democracy.
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 This is extremely dangerous to our democracy. This is extremely dangerous to our democracy.
This is extremely dangerous to our democracy.
This is extremely dangerous to our democracy.
This is extremely dangerous to our democracy.